Coming up next, I discuss the recent changes to the FICO credit score and how they may affect you. Stay tuned. Good morning, everybody, and I am here today in the role of my attorney self, talking about credit, because some of you may have seen a few weeks ago that FICO announced a credit score change that impacts basically every adult citizen in the United States with a credit report or credit score. And unfortunately, there's, well, good news and bad news. The good news is, for those of you who have excellent credit already, when I mean excellent, you're typically going to be even good credit, over 700, no real negative history, positive history, on-time payments, no collection accounts, things like that. I don't know if you checked, but I would recommend go check your credit score, because your credit score probably just went up. You can go to creditkarma.com, which is a free website I recommend. It's easy to use. You can use the app on your phone. And anyways, the algorithm changes to FICO score basically rewards people with good credit and actually raise their score sometimes 50, 60 points overnight in the last month for literally doing nothing, okay? But the bad news, those of you who have less than stellar credit, for whatever reason, and that's most Americans, could be a collection account, could be a medical bill that's on your report that should have been paid by insurance, could be a late payment on a credit card you forgot to pay a long time ago, whatever it is. If you have credit score probably in the 600s or lower, you just saw your credit score go down because they're penalizing people for negative history more severely. So you're going to have a bigger gap now between those with good credit and bad credit. I see this overall probably not as a positive thing, because most people, I'm not sure you're aware, have issues on their credit, mistakes, bad things, whether they were your fault or not. Basically 80% of all credit reports contain mistakes or errors. So check your credit, check your score, see if it's gone up in the last month or down. If it has, you can go to my website, goodlifecredit.com. That's my credit repair website, and if you got any questions, we got some good information on there. But hope you're having a good one, guys, and talk to you later. This is, well, just me.